Dr. Ron Westrum is an American sociologist who was born in 1945 in United States. Ron Westrum earned a BA in social relations in 1966 from Harvard University and a PhD in sociology in 1972 from the University of Chicago. He is the author of various papers and books, and his work is now being used in the DevOps field. Westrum's organizational culture is one of a set of capabilities that drive higher software delivery and organizational performance. These capabilities were discovered by the DORA State of DevOps Research and Assessment Program, which is an independent, academically rigorous investigation into the practices and capabilities that drive high performance. According to the research by DevOps Research and Assessment DORA, organizational culture that is high trust and emphasizes information flow is predictive of software delivery performance and organizational performance in technology. The idea that a good culture that optimizes information flow is predictive of good outcomes is not a new idea. It is based on research by sociologist Dr. Ron Westrum. Dr. Ron Westrum's research included human factors in system safety, particularly in the context of accidents in technological domains such as aviation and healthcare. In his work with these high risk, highly complex fields, Westrum noted that such a culture influences the way information flows through an organization. Westrum provides three characteristics of good information. First, it provides answers to the question that the receiver needs answered. Secondly, it is timely. And third, it is presented in such a way that the receiver can use it effectively. On your screen, you can see the topology developed by Dr. Ron Westrum, which is for organizational cultures. There is a wide belief that organizational culture shapes many aspects of performance, including safety. Yet, proof of this relationship is a medical in a medical context is hard to find. In contrast to human factors whose contributions are many and notable, culture's impact remains a common sense rather than a scientific concept. So the objective of this topology is to show that organizational culture bears a predictive relationship with safety and that particular kinds of organizational culture improve safety and to develop a typology predictive of safety performance. Because information flow is both influential and also indicative of other aspects of culture, it can be used to predict how organizations or part of them will behave when signs of trouble arise. So, from case studies and some systematic research, it appears that information culture is indeed associated with error reporting and with performance, including safety. Yet, this relationship between culture and safety require more exploration before the connection can be considered definitive. So, similar to this typology which is shown on the screen, DORA research shows that a high trust generative culture predicts software delivery and organization performance in technology. Research from a large 2-year study at Google found similar results that high performing teams need a culture of trust and psychological safety, meaningful work, and clarity. So, I hope that this makes sense to you. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.